Hello guys, welcome to my Adventech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to book train ticket through IRCTC app. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to book train ticket through IRCTC app, then I'll show you simple method to do this. First of all, you just need to open your IRCTC app, then click on login, enter your login pin, then click on train. You can see your first option train, click on train, then click on book ticket. Here you just need to select your station from where you want to go, your source station, then select your destination station to where you have to go. After selecting destination station, you will find the class sleeper, 2-tier AC, 3-tier AC. Select the class of your ticket, then select the Quetta, General, Ladies, Tatkal. After that, select the departure date. For example, I will select as 6 Jan. Then click on search on train. After that, you need to find your best train ticket. You have to select your train through which you want to travel. Then select the class. Then click on add passenger. Enter the passenger name. Enter the passenger age. Select the class, then select the general, then select the berth preference, then click on review journey. You have to checkmark this option, consider for auto upgradation, and checkmark this book only if confirmed berth are allocated. After that, here you can see pay through credit or debit card or pay through Bhim UPI. You can select any one option from this. I am selecting pay through Bhim UPI. Then click on review journey. Once you have to recheck your journey details, then enter the CAPTCHA. Then click on proceed to pay. Then click on yes. Then select the payment method. I have selected Bhim UPI. You can see here I will select as PhonePe. You just need to enter your mobile number below. Then enter the OTP what you will receive on PhonePe. You can see the OTP what you will receive on your Android mobile. You just need to enter that OTP. Then click on verify to login. After that, you just need to go to your PhonePe. You will find a notification of the PhonePe from the IRCTC. You just need to click on pay. You can see here two options, decline and pay. Just click on that. Then click on pay. Select the bank through which you want to pay. Then click on pay. After that, you just need to enter your UPI pin. You can see the payment is successful. Then you have to go to your IRCTC app. You can see the ticket has been booked successfully. That's it guys. So in this way you can book IRCTC train ticket in your IRCTC app. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.